on the road again. We're going out. Got to go get something from Walmart, and then I guess going to go through Sonic on Harper Road and go get some milkshakes. The hell, what the hell? I'm tired of being cooped up in the house. Let's do a video. And hopefully that we can make it home safe. Yeah, boy. Yeah, that was a little slick. Thankfully, that was at the bottom of the hill. Let's see, I just clicked it out of four-wheel drive. Hopefully I won't need it. I will pick y'all up again when I get to Walmart. Okay, let's try this again. I'm on my way to Sonic to get a milkshake. This is what I'm dealing with. It is cold as piss outside, and my aunt wants a milkshake, so I'm going to get her a milkshake. She can't get out. I can because I'm young. She's older or elderly, whatever you want to call it. And I'll do anything I can to help her out. And now I'm on my way to go get a milkshake from Sonic. Okay. I don't think I need four-wheel drive to come up this. But who knows? I will see you at Sonic. Okay, I'm here at Sonic. As you can tell, I'm at Sonic. Not trying to look at their license plate number or nothing. But this jackass in front of me, I guess they're stoned, they're high, they're something. Because they ordered, I guess, everything on the fucking menu here at Sonic. I mean, seriously. It's just fucking ridiculous. No, don't want you to see that. It pisses me off. It just pisses me off. When you got two morons in a car in front of you, and you can see that it's only two people, and yet they order for 50 people. That's what it seems like. It seems like they ordered for 50 fucking people. Maybe they'll go now. Maybe, probably not. I'm probably going to sit here. There we go. Sorry for a little rant there. It just pisses me off. It really does. Thank you. Leave you safe, dear. That's insane. Hold on. Yeah, I know. It's fucking crazy. Well, I'll see you back at the house. Look at that beautiful sky. Look, I mean, that's just gorgeous. This camera doesn't do it justice. Honestly, it don't. Alright, we're going to do a little bit of a mukbang right now from Sonic. I got a chili cheese cone.
Oh, yeah.
I love chili cheese coney dogs from Sonic. Maybe. You can see, like, ooh, don't that look good? Man, that is so good. Okay. There's your mukbang for today. Sonic, good job.